Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a MPEG for audio and video profiles and its levels. These are the some contents which I am going to discuss in a further slides, which are what is MPEG for video compression, what is MPEG for audio compression, how does MPEG for compression works, and its levels and profiles of MPEG4, audio coding and its profiles, video coding and its profiles, MPEG products, MPEG open world. First one is what is MPEG for video compression? It is a method for video compression which involves the compression of digital image and sound as well as synchronization of the both sound and image. There are currently several MPEG standard, that is MPEG 1, 2, 3 up to 21. Next, what is MPEG for audio compression? First, there are two types of compression. First one is lossless and second one is a lossy. Lossless compression is used to compress the text or a program. Lossy compression is used to compress the audio or video. In this section, I am going to discuss for audio and video. So, lossy compression is to compress the audio and video. The standard consists of the following few parts: system, which store and synchronize of video, audio and data together; video, which has compressed video contents; audio, which have compressed audio contents. How does MPEG4 compression works? MPEG algorithm compress data to form small bit that can be easily transmitted and then decomposed. MPEG achieves its high compression rate by storing only the changes from one frame to another instead of each entire frame. These are the standard levels and profiles of MPEG4. You can see here in a row wise there will be a different profiles, that is simple, main, SNR, spatial, high and a 422. In a column wise there will be a different level. In second row there is different frames. For a simple, I and P frames are used. For main, SNR, spatial, high and 422, I, P and B frames are used. For a chroma sampling, there is a different standard ratio which we have to use. For high, there is a standards which I have to use. You can go through these tables. This is the continue of levels and profiles of MPEG. For levels of high 1440, main and low, this is a profile standards. Next is audio coding. First is synthetic methods are TTS. TTS stands for text to speech. TTS is a type of assistive technology that reads digital text aloud. It is also called as read aloud technology. With a click of a button or the touch of a finger, TTS can take a words on a computer or other digital devices which have 200 bit per second to a 1200 bit per second. Text plus prosodic parameters. Interface standards, not normative synthesizer. Second one is a score driver, which first one is a SAOL. SAOL stands for Structured Audio Orchestra Language. It is an interactive music and programming language designed for describing virtual instrument processing digital audio and applying sound effects. Next, synthesis can be by many processes which control by a score. MIDI can be used. MIDI stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. It is a standard protocol for interconnecting computers with musical instrument, stage, lighting and other time-oriented media. This is the profiles of audio. First one is a speech. synthesize. Scalable. Scalability is an attribute that describes the ability of process, network, software, or organization to grow and manage increased demand. A system business or a software that is described as scalable has an advantage because it is more adaptable to the changing needs or demands of its users or clients. Main. Main, it should be chief in size, extent, or an important principle which leads the audio profiles features of a plan. You should have high quality audio and low delay audio, and it should have natural audio. It should not have artificial audio. Mobile audio, internet working. Next is video coding. Synthetic objects are parametric coding of faces, bodies, static and dynamic measures, face animations. Second one is a facial description parameters, facial animation parameters, which is a FAP. FAP is a component of the FPEG4 international standards. It describes a standard for a virtually representing humans and humanoid in a way that adequately achieves visual speech as well as the mode and gesture of the speaker and allows for very low bitrate compression and transmission of animation parameters. Face animation table. Face interpolation technique is a motion interpolation or a motion compensated frame interpolation, that is MCFI, is a frame of video processing in which intermediate animation frames are generated between existing ones by means of interpolation in an attempt to make animation more fluid, to compensate for display motion blur and for fake slow motion effects. These are the profiles video. For a natural objects, it should be a simple scalable core. What is the meaning of core? Core audio is the digital audio infrastructure of iOS and OS X. It includes a set of software framework designed to handle the audio needs in your applications. Next is main. N bit. In digital audio, a value called bit depth describes the resolution of the sound data that is captured and stored in a audio file. A high audio bit depth indicates a more detailed sound recording. Similarly, for image and video file, bit depth is used to determine the resolution of a picture. Second one is a for synthetic object. First one is a simple facial animation. What is the meaning of facial animation? It is a primarily an area of computer graphics that encaptured method and technique for generating and animating image and a video or a model of a character face. The character can be human or a humanoid, an animal or a legendary or a characters, etc. Scalable texture. Texture in music term, particularly in the field of music history and music analysis, some common terms for different type of textures are monophonic, polyphonic and homorhythmic and heterophonic. Basic animated 2D texture. 2D core profile have two nodes for creating scenes with the audio and visual element using basic 2D composition, 2D texturing, local interlocution and local animations. Hybrid visual. What is the meaning of hybrid visual? Is an video that is prescribed in one of two different ways depending on viewing distance or a viewing based on way human process visual inputs. Next is a MPEG products. First one is a broadcast. First is VTRS. VTRS stands for video tape recorder. Is a tape recorder designed to record and playback video and audio materials on magnetic tape. VTR used as Betacam SX IMX for MPEG. Next is a server. What is the meaning of server? A server is a computer that provides data to other computer. It may serve the data to system on a local area network, that is LAN, or by using a wide area network, that is WAN, over the internet. The server used for MPEG are MAV70 and MAV555. Next is a contribution. EBU standard. EBU stands for Electronic Business Unit, which contributes for a MPEG products. Next is DVD. A DVD is a disc on which film or music is recorded. It is similar to compact disc but hold a lot more information. It is an digital video disc or a digital versatile disc which is used for a players and authoring systems. Transmission. What is the meaning of transmission in MPEG? It is used to sending audio and video signal in terms of electrical signal from one place to another place for satellites and terrestrial. Next is MPEG Open World. Pro MPEG Forum. Pro stands for professional. So, Professional MPEG Forum, an organization founded in London in 1998 for the advancement of the MPEG-2 standards. The forum helped develop the MXF file format for exchanging video production data between servers. This is the Pro MPEG Forum consortium of many companies working towards greater. Second one is interoperability. These are the some company which going to work or presently working for a MPEG. Thank you.